Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload a Facebook reel from gallery. If you're using Facebook and you want to upload a Facebook reel from your gallery, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. Just open Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. I'm going to open it in my browser here. Now, once you are in Facebook, you just have to click on your profile option to go to your profile. Now, once you are on your profile, you just have to select Reel here. Just click on Reel, and here just click on Upload. Now, once you are here, you just have to upload your video you want to. So, let's say I'm gonna select this one, and here just click Next, and from here you can add your own captions by clicking on this upload button. You can also enable this to automatically add captions for you. Just click on next again. Here enter your description, add your thumbnail, and put the mode setting and then click post. So once you have done, your reel will be posted. Using this method, you can easily upload your Facebook reel from your gallery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.